Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Now type chk bsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Now we need to type this command c : and simply press enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command, type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now execute this command, type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command, type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now execute this command carefully, type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type copy space ** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now execute this command, type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space c : / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command, cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command, type bcd edit space /export space c : /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now execute this command, type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command, type md space bcd. Now execute this command, type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type attrib c : /boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type run space c : \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Now execute this command, type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.